I watched a video on lemongrass. I'm going to simply clean this up. Get all the weeds out. Most of it all cleaned up. And maybe just separate it and grow some more. This is the root, very simple to plant. Read up online about how to cook and use this. You can use this lemon and plant the rest. And we're going to simply replant this now. Clean this spot up. And congratulate yourself. You just planted lemongrass. Lemongrass can be grown just about anywhere and spread out over. Enjoy planting, everybody.